Good morning, Wildcats. Welcome to week 7 of virtual learning for biology. So what are we learning about this week?
This week is invasive species and biodiversity. So you're learning about the importance of having a diverse biome and ecosystem and what happens when invasive species come into that ecosystem.
Okay, so you're looking in the week of 5/4, so May 4th work folder, okay? And when you come in here, we have 2 quizzes for you, and you need to first open your nature journal, and then remember at the end of the week you submit that. And then you have 2 links that you're going to use to get to the invasive species quiz. And then you have 2 more links that you'll do on biodiversity and the loss of biodiversity, and then you'll take that quiz. I believe, Ms. Coral, it has videos and articles, correct?
Yeah, so for invasive species, you're going to watch a little TED Ed about it, and then you're going to look at an Ohio State article that's talking about the invasive species in Ohio. And then for biodiversity, you're looking at a YouTube video and then another TED Ed looking at biodiversity and biodiversity loss and why that's so important.
Nice. What a week.
Yeah.
Any little announcements? For me, one thing that kind of been struggling a little bit with is if you have a quick question, Remind is awesome. You know, I can just text you back. But if you have a grade, maybe you're making up work, some quiz, something was weird, I'd rather the gradebook stuff come through email. So that way I'm on my computer, I have it in front of me. Text messages is a little hard to kind of keep it unread until I'm on my computer next. So email, grades, you can send me a remind with quick questions.
Speaking of grades, if you are wanting a letter grade for Q4, you need to be thinking about that. And I think what's our deadline, guys? The 14th, 15th, you have to let us know by?
I'm not 100% about that. I know I've had 3 or 4 people email me and I told them I'd let them know when all that comes out. I hadn't heard anything. What I think I'll be doing and what we'll probably all end up is putting some sort of survey out or maybe a Schoology question. So there'll be somewhere there where you'll have to answer that question for us, I think. But definitely something to be thinking about right now.
Yep. All right, guys, if you have any questions, send a remind, send an email so that we can help you out.
Yep.
Have a good week, guys.
Bye.
See ya.
See ya.